thought Cyrus gonna start eating rabbits.
He can eat rabbits now.
Who can eat rabbits? When was the last time they ate?
3 weeks. They need to eat.
Okay, this one's not gonna like it. It's okay, Bubba.
I just don't want to hear her screech when she attacks it.
Okay, Bubba, cover your ears. I can't see.
Well, here it goes.
Here we go.
So if you don't want to hear it, close your ears.
Okay, you're good. She got it.
I'm so scared of them.
What did you videotape that?
You just want to.
See, I told you. Okay, this one's not gonna like eat.
They don't like it eaten.
I can't see when she gets him. Only her.
That's because she's behind the wood.
Can I go over there and see?
You want to?
If she got it?
Yeah, that's what that screech was.
Oh, hey, he's alive!
Not for long.
Atilla's mouth is probably as wide as that pink ashtray.
It's a lot bigger than that.
Daddy, she likes him.
She hasn't even straddled in like a position that she straddled. Is that how she kills it, by squeezing it?
Yep.
Did he die?
Not yet.
If you don't want to watch it, go inside.
I do want to watch it. I'm just not scared. Daddy, that's pretty. The tail is back. The yellow. Whoa,
Move real quick,
that scared me.
please. Move, please.
Hey, Bubba. That was scary, and I went like this.
Come right here, please.
I went like this. That
Come
scared
right
me.
here, please.
Ah, chicken.
Bree, take your shoes somewhere else.
My shoes and... Hey, you're on my shoes. You can't see it. Is he killed? Oh, he's not.
It dead now?